The conference so far has been great. The venue is insane.
When I came in, it was nice with the blue lights everywhere and stuff. Dope sound system.
I love the visual style, I love the slides, the talks, the MC is crazy.
This event has been awesome. I really love we've got a massive variety of different talks, from testing to the new hotness in React, and the quality of the speakers has been amazing.
Really well organized. I really enjoyed it. You have a good mix of technical talks and fun talks.
The conference is great. I mean, I think it's nice to see a wide variety of people coming from multiple different parts that are not just from Berlin. It's a nice opportunity to learn more about the ecosystem, learn more about the technology, and a great chance to do networking with our colleagues.
It's really important that we have a place at least once in a year where the entire community is here.
Amazing experience which brings all of us little atoms in the React ecosystem together and allows us to exchange ideas, learn from each other, and encourage each other.
So if you want to check out a conference, I would say definitely come to this one. It's really amazing. You're going to have some real fun.